Well, adventurers, it looks like I received something in the mail. Let's see what it is. Any guesses? Let's check it out. Alright, got the wrapping off. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's the Cold Steel Gem Sword. A real nice scabbard. Rosewood, I believe. Yeah, how nice is that? Got like a fish or a whale in there or something. Cool design over there. Strap to hang it by. Well, enough about the scabbard, which by itself feels really nice in the hand, very slender, and it's like light and weighty at the same time. I don't know how to describe it. Let's get the sword out. Well, certainly well greased. And those grip is very textured. Has a cup-like handguard. More neatly designed pommel there. Pinned in. It's very long and straight. It's very narrow. Considerably wide blade. Well, let's see what it looks like in the scabbard. The sword does not actually fit into the scabbard. Well, that's unfortunate. I'll give a full review of the sword later. Anyway, this is Spencer Corn. So long, and keep your sword on you.